I'm about to bring you the sled video. We hyped. Me and Dylan gonna be ripping. Good friggin' day.
What's going on, Gear Nation? Today's video is gonna be a little different. You're used to us hunting and fishing and doing all sorts of stuff. Today is a little bit of good karma, I guess. So my buddy Mo has a pretty sick E30 BMW. He's put a lot of money into it. All last year, I keep having hiccup issues with the motor and the car.
The car caught on fire, man. Holy f. Hit the dash. Going back to Peter's shop. Look how clean the hood is, guys. Wow. Amazing. Still rolling.
He bought this car from somebody else and it just kept having problems after problems. It took him over a year to get it where it's at now, and now it's finally complete, ready to rock. But as you can see, it is winter here, so you can't drive this car in the winter. It's more of a summer car. Actually, it is a summer car. So me and a couple of buddies decided to surprise Mo. We're gonna go to Performance Boutique. We're gonna load the car up. We're gonna tell Peter, who owns Performance Boutique, don't tell Mo that we took his car. We're gonna take it to Gold Label. He's been talking about wanting this wrap for a long time. So we're thinking on surprising him with a full wrap. So we're hoping that this is gonna be a pretty sick video. So I'm pretty pumped. Let's get this truck loaded up and let's get on our way to Gold Label. All right, so we got the E30 all loaded up. Big thanks to PV. Gold Label showed up. So now it's time to trailer it all the way to Gold Label. And that's gonna be the resting place for a couple of days. Catch us there.
What's basically crazy about what's happening today is it's pretty much stealing a car, because the owner of this car has zero idea of what's going on. Absolutely no idea his car is leaving Performance Boutique and coming to Gold Label. So now the story is, oh, there's still some parts that Performance Boutique is waiting on. That's what the owner of this car thinks. And the challenge is to try and make him believe that his car is still there and there's parts still overseas somewhere waiting for it to be shipped. Because apparently he goes, checks on his car maybe once every week, once every couple weeks. So we're gonna have to do something for him not to go to Performance Boutique to see if his car is there or the stage of where his car is at now.
So you guys have been like family members to me. So me and Leif, this isn't just a surprise for Mo, this is a surprise for you guys too. Your presence in the back of the truck.
He's in a shock. He's in a shock.
You guys have been about this for years.
About what the hell?
Open your present.
What the is this?
Hey, language! There's kids going to be watching that.
I saw this on Instagram.
Oh! Shit. Shit.
Shit. So sorry, bro.
Bro.
That's awesome.
No problem, no problem.
This is all dog, guys.
All right, so we got Mo's car delivered to the Gold Label shop. Got the car in there. This is gonna be a sick wrap. I can't wait. Mo has no idea that we brought it here. He still thinks it's at Performance Boutique waiting on some more parts. Joke's in the car game, you're always waiting on parts.
Cannot wait to start on this beast. So for now, what we did, we washed it, clay bar. We're just gonna wrap the hood just for now, just to see how it looks with the color. After we wrap the hood, we're gonna dismantle the bumpers, the lights, and the regular stuff. Stay tuned. The chosen color is Gloss Burnt Orange by 3M. It's the 2080 series, so it has the protective liner on top, which is amazing because it keeps away the installation scratches that you typically get on glass colors when you're applying them. The crazy part about this, and that makes it so exciting, the owner of this car has zero idea, not even 1% in his head that he thinks that the car is here. He has zero idea. We talked to him on the phone. We've been playing along with it very, very well with our friends. He has zero idea, and it's gonna be so sick when he comes and see the car.
So this wrap is looking awesome. So this is totally gonna change the car. I mean, look at this. With the blacked out headlights, some black accents. This is just dope. What up everyone? We're day 2 working on the E30. We had some issues with this car. So this car has been repainted and fixed up by a body shop, and there's been a couple things that they've done that is making your life hard. One of them is that the bolts to remove the handles are actually painted over, which means that we can't remove them, so we had to come with a solution to wrap around the handles. But I gotta say, it does look pretty good, you know? So we don't want to cause any damage to the car, so we decided to wrap around them. Not typical Gold Label fashion, but in the end, what's important is to keep the car in good order. There's also the rear bumper, and that's causing Samuel a headache. So tell us about the rear bumper.
I gotta cut the hitch. I'm gonna have to cut the hitch off. I don't even know why they put a hitch on an E30. 1988, 3 Series BMW. What the hell you thinking a hitch, man? What are you gonna tow with this? All you're gonna do is make donuts.
So today we're gonna finish off this side, we're gonna finish off the other side, and we're gonna try to tackle the front bumper. Let's get it done.
They're coming to install a rad, so maybe the front bumper another day, but we'll see.
Yeah, there's also a rad getting installed on this car. So we're working around with the mechanics from Performance Boutique, so let's get it done. Alcoholing the panels. As always, prep is key for a good wrap application. So we're just making sure that there's no dust or residue on this panel before we wrap it. challenges because the paint's peeling everywhere, so the repaint wasn't done properly. So we're dealing with painted bolts, so we can't remove the handles. We're dealing with paint peeling around these, paint peeling on the side skirt. So it's a whole lot of fun. Fourth door complete. Okay.
Today is the day. He's coming at 5, has no idea the car is here. Woohoo, buddy! We are so excited, but at the same time so nervous because we really have to give her. So gotta putting everything back together. I'm gonna like clean it up real quick for him. It's disgusting everywhere.
We're gonna get his initial reaction on this car. Yo, tough boy.
Yo, what up?
I need you to see this car.
Shit. We gonna make it on time? We gonna make it on time? Oh, damn! Yo, this is a hot boy flex. Shit. Damn. Shit, yo, he ain't ready. He ain't ready for this. Oh my God, you guys killed it. You guys fucking killed it. Oh shit.
We're currently making some stickers to put on it.
Oh shit.
So we're gonna be adding some Instagram tags and a dirty 30 from banner.
That's gonna be icing on the cake.
That's it. I'm so excited.
I'm pumped. I can't wait.
I am so excited.
He's here. He's next door. Co-label's got the one bay and the second bay. So they're in the original. You saw him get out of the vehicle. We gotta set up the GoPro on the pedestal so that we get that reaction. So we're gonna set it up there. Hopefully we get their full reactions whenever they come in. It's gonna be sick.
Okay, so we're gonna go next door and we're gonna pretend like we're filming a completely different vlog. And we're gonna tell him that we want his reaction on something. So let's put our best actor faces on and get him. Ready? Go. And we're talking about this sick project that we've got. So this was a very, very long wrap on this beautiful. Hey guys, how's it going? You know what? Since these guys are here, let's get these guys' reaction.
You tell us be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. We're filming and now you come here and you say you guys come here.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's get these guys' reaction on the crazy wrap we've done next door. You know what, Lee? We already got your reaction. Mo, come here. No, you gotta come. Come. I got you.
Be honest, be honest.
Yeah.
Be honest.
When I say 3.
Be honest of what?
Oh, sorry. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Surprise!
Whoa, shit. Whoa. Whoa, wow. Surprise! Whoa. That's my car? That's your car? That's your car. Wow. That's your car. Whoa. You can check it out if you want. It's your car. You can come look. You can come open the door. Whoa. That's not your car, man. That's a customer car. We made it look like your car.
My rims, man.
No, that's your car.
Oh, that's my car. I'm taking the rocket. Mine.
Look at the window. What does it say?
Yeah, the bullet too.
Whoa.
The bullet too. That bullet.
Whoa. Whoa. Come open the door. Open the door. It is yours.
Wow. Thank you.
Whoa. All cleaned up.
Yeah. In and out, full detail, full wrap, in the color that you wanted.
Whoa. Whoa.
So I just want to say a big thank you to Gold Label. As always, they killed it. And you guys saw Mo's reaction. That was priceless. He coming in thinking that he's going to give us a reaction on some other car. Little did he know, it was his own car. So I don't know if you have any words that you want to say.
A huge thanks. I think that was amazing. This car kicked our bums. It's an older car, so we use sawzalls, we use hammers, we use drills, we used our head, of course, and the end was amazing. So we want to thank, big thanks to Performance Boutique, Laith, Tough Country Gear, Josh, and well, we'll thank ourselves too, I guess. But Josh talks better than me, so let's let him finish it.
So yeah, as always, big thank you to Gold Label. They killed it with the orange wrap 3M. It's a wicked color. I can't wait to see this on the road in the spring and summer. Mo is gonna love this. The big pops and bangs from the big turbo build from Performance Boutique. And that's it. That is a wrap on 2021. Big gift, super surprise.
Big hugs from far.
All right, so if you like this video and some more of our reactions, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully we can do more of this stuff during the year. Catch you in the next one.